And when you talk about the research question, how to write a good research question, the good research question would make the reader can understand easy, and the research question how to you can write is when you do the literature review, you can see what you the new article, new research would like to explain the relationship or explain the variable of the predictors on the outcome. This is how to write a research question. For example, in this topic, it's about the relationship between website quality, university image, word of mouth, and intention to follow the university website. When write the research question to explain the relationship between the variables. In this case, the variable is the website quality, university image, electronic word of mouth, and the outcome or dependent variable is intention to follow the university website. When you write the topic or the title like this, it means that you adopt for the quantitative research, not qualitative research, because you test the relationship between the variable and you would like to explain the dependent variable or outcome variable of the intentions to follow the university website. And good research question, you have to write by avoid answer only yes or no question. In this case, although you use is as the question, but in the last of tag question, you tag for how. It means that not only answer for yes or no, but you can, the researcher explain how is the relationship between the website quality, university image, electronic word of mouth, and the outcome of intention to follow the university website. And the researcher have to review the variable to the articles to support the variable that you would like to study, to support the outcome, to support the definition, to support the hypothesis, and to create the conceptual framework. For example, in this case, when you write the abstracts comprise of 4 parts: the part of objective, the part of methodology, the part of result, and the part of conclusion and recommendation. In this case, the objective is to